In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use advanced sizing and units with Wix Studio. Whether you're a beginner or someone with a bit of experience designing websites, understanding how to fine-tune your sizing and units can truly elevate your design game. These settings allow you to create a more professional, polished look for your site, ensuring your layout works seamlessly across devices. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to access and adjust these advanced settings, giving you more control over your website's visual structure. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to visit the Wix Studio website, open your browser, and head on over to their homepage. This is your starting point for accessing all the tools Wix Studio offers. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one, but for today's tutorial, we're assuming that you already have your login details ready to go. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button. You'll usually find it in the top right corner of the page. Give that button a click to begin the login process. Wix Studio makes it pretty simple and convenient to log in, which brings us to the next step. Now, when you're prompted to log in, you'll see a few options. Choose the Continue with Google option. This is a quick and secure way to access your Wix Studio account without having to enter additional credentials. Just make sure you're logging in with the correct Google account that's linked to your Wix projects. After logging in successfully, you'll be taken to your Wix Studio dashboard. From here, you'll want to access the editor for the specific website you're working on. If you're managing multiple websites, just select the one you want to adjust. The editor is where all the magic happens, so let's get into it. Once you're inside the editor, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. The next thing you'll need to do is locate the three dots icon. This icon is key to accessing some of the more advanced settings that aren't immediately visible. In most cases, you'll find this icon near the top right corner of the editor interface, though its exact location may vary slightly depending on your layout. Keep an eye out for it. It's easy to spot once you know where to look. When you've found the three dots icon, go ahead and click on it. This will open up a menu of additional options that give you more control over your site's design and functionality. These options are designed for users who want to go beyond the basic settings, which is exactly what we're doing today. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Advanced Settings and select it. This is where you'll find the tools for adjusting the sizes and units within your design. Clicking on Advanced Settings will open up a new panel or window with all the customization options you need. Now that you're in the Advanced Settings section, you can begin adjusting the sizes and units as needed. Here, you can specify exact measurements, switch between units like pixels, percentages, or ems, and fine-tune the design elements to fit your vision. This is your opportunity to ensure that your site looks great on all screen sizes. From desktop to mobile, take your time here, and don't be afraid to experiment. If you're unsure about what a specific unit does, hover over it or refer to the Wix support documentation for additional guidance. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments you've made, it's important to save your changes. Look for the Save button, typically located at the top right corner of the editor, and click it. This ensures that all the customizations you've applied are saved and applied to your live website. Remember, saving your work frequently is a good habit to get into, especially when you're making detailed adjustments like these. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully accessed and customized the advanced sizing and unit settings in Wix Studio. This small but powerful feature can make a huge difference in how your website looks and feels, so take advantage of it to create a site that truly stands out. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.